Hey guys, today I'm back with these bumblebee nails. I painted these for the A to Z nail art challenge on Instagram, so please go check them out and join in. It's so much fun. I love this design, I think it's so cute. And if you want to know how I did these designs, keep watching. So I'm just going to start off with noting the polish that absolutely made this mani, and this is Cirque Colours Citrine. It's a gorgeous yellow hollow flaky. But anyway, I'm starting with painting my middle and ring finger with this nude polish. And then with my Moyu London Fall in Love plate, I think it's the 01, I stamped the bumblebee with a Twinkle Tea Vibin. And then with Citrine, I'm just filling in his little body. And then with a pearlescent polish, I painted his wings. And then I just applied a glossy top coat and waited a minute. And then just stamped that on my nail. And then with my Moyu London Animal 04 and a black stamping polish, I stamped the bumblebees. And then I just filled them in with citrine. And same again, applied a glossy top coat and stamped it on my nail. I just added an extra bumblebee because it looked a bit empty. And here I am painting my index and pinky fingers with that standout polish. It's so gorgeous. It's like honey. Honey with hollow. And then with my Moyu London Pro 01 plate, I just stamped this hexagon, what do they call it? Oh, it'll come to me in a minute. Honeycomb pattern. And then finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these bumblebee nails, and I can't say it again, I absolutely love this design. I wish I could wear it every day. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!